Isn't it awesome when you get a new tool and it makes your life so much easier? Yay! Well, what if you could experience that feeling more often? In this episode of Leverage Your Spark, we're talking about how to use a marketing operations team to expand the marketing automation and technology toolkits you already have. Welcome to Leverage Your Spark. I'm Brandy Lawson. There isn't enough time in the day to do everything on the list, right? Or maybe you figured this out, and if so, I'd love to hear your secrets. In our business and for our clients, the wish list just doesn't get the priority that the urgent items get when we sit down to tackle work every day. And on most marketing teams' wish lists is an expansion of using their CRM, marketing automation, email marketing software, or even just making changes and small tweaks to expand the capability of systems they already have in place. They know it's possible, they want to do it, but there just doesn't seem to be ever enough time to do it, or even if time gets set aside, like at a retreat or a focus day for improving systems, sometimes the technical capability is missing, especially if there's not an in-house marketing operations manager. Marketing automation and technology marketing toolkits are designed so that they can be built upon. I don't know any business that started with the ideal system. Marketing automation systems are all built one phase at a time. Sadly, many teams get stuck in phase 1 or phase 2 because the urgency dies out, or the expertise is no longer available. And so they don't have the capability to continue to expand or add capacity to systems like project management, marketing automation, email marketing, or CRM tools. It's frustrating when things change because updating can be such a time suck. There's stuff to learn, plans to make, and then you have to do the work to move. Let's shortcut your move to Google Analytics 4. Grab the quick and dirty guide to Google Analytics 4 setup to get just what you need to know to easily move to this new platform. Download the free guide at getffx.com/GA4. It's very rare that we come into a client who doesn't already have a wish list. But the first step in being able to expand on the marketing automation you're already using is to have a prioritized list of features and functionality the team has identified they want. Then we work through this with clients to help set or give more context to the priority, understand other limiting factors, and define conditions for each item so that the fully optimized prioritized list can be created and then scoped. Once that's done, an implementation plan can be created for the top items. To do this efficiently, you'll probably want to have a marketing operations expert because they can help create the plan so you get the biggest bang for your buck. The benefit of having marketing automation is that it can continue to grow with your company. The challenge with not having a marketing operations agency is that it gets really hard to implement updates to the system and technology when the rest of the team is busy keeping up with the growth. When you have a marketing automation or marketing operations agency on board, you can start experiencing the benefits of expanded marketing automation systems and stop stumbling over all the want to, wish to, and meant to use so that your team can be focused on keeping up with growth and be supported by systems that can keep up with them. In the previous 2 episodes, we've covered using marketing operations team to repair and expand your marketing automation and technology toolkit. In the next episode, we'll talk about using marketing operations to scale the business. There's no need for FOMO when you're an insider. Subscribe to get all the insider news and drop on new episodes. Just go to leverageYourSpark.com.